Want to generate leads quickly and efficiently? In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate leads using Outgrow. Whether you're new to this tool or looking to optimize your strategy, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to turn engagement into tangible leads. Outgrow is an interactive content platform that allows you to create customized quizzes, calculators, surveys, and assessments. Tools that help you capture leads in a way that feels personal and engaging. These are the kind of lead generation techniques that stand out and actually convert. Now, you may be wondering, why should you care about interactive content? Well, it's simple. Interactive content keeps people on your site longer, boosts engagement, and more importantly, helps you collect valuable data that can qualify leads. This means you're not just getting a list of random names, but people who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Outgrow works by enabling you to build personalized experiences for users. For example, you can create a quiz where users answer a few questions, and based on their answers, they get customized results. This keeps the experience relevant to the user and ultimately more likely to drive them down your sales funnel. But what's even better, you can customize the follow-up too. Once a user finishes your quiz, you can prompt them to book a call, sign up for a newsletter, or download a guide, whatever action you want them to take. That's powerful because it lets you set up a fully automated lead generation system without much extra work. Let's dive into the practical side of how to use Outgrow for lead generation. First, when you create an interactive piece like a quiz or survey, you'll need to define your goals. What action do you want the user to take once they engage? Is it signing up for your email list? Opting for a consultation? Or maybe subscribing to a special offer? Knowing the end goal of your lead generation process is crucial in designing an effective experience for users. Outgrow makes it super easy to track these interactions. With built-in analytics, you can monitor which pieces of content perform the best, which user segments are more likely to convert, and what changes you might need to optimize for even better results. This data is gold, giving you the insights you need to continually refine your lead generation efforts. And here's a little tip. Outgrow also integrates with all major CRMs and email marketing platforms like HubSpot, MailChimp, and Salesforce. That means the leads you capture don't just sit around in Outgrow. You can funnel them directly into your existing system, where your team can follow up and close the deal. Another powerful feature of Outgrow is its A/B testing capabilities. You can test different variations of your quizzes or calculators to see which version performs better. By doing this, you ensure you're putting your best foot forward and always improving the user experience. But maybe the most appealing aspect of Outgrow for marketers is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to build interactive content. The drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly user-friendly, so you can focus more on creating great content rather than worrying about the tech side of things. Now, if you're eager to try it out, I've got something special for you. You can use Outgrow completely free from the link below. And even better, I've arranged exclusive bonuses that'll help you get the most out of your free trial. But don't wait, this deal is only available for a limited time. In summary, Outgrow is an incredible tool for generating leads in a way that's engaging, effective, and fully customizable. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro in digital marketing, you can start using interactive content to drive results immediately. Plus, with its easy-to-use platform, tracking features, and CRM integrations, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to scale their lead generation efforts. So make sure to check out the exclusive offer below and try Outgrow for yourself. You won't regret it.